Umengameli we-IFP u-Velenkosini Hlabisa uthi i-IFP izoqhubeka nokusebenzisana nobuso balo wasungula leli qembu. uHlabisa ke uthi akaliboni iphutha uma iqembu linquma ukusebenzisa Inkosi Mangosuthu Buthelezi njengobuso beqembu ukuheha amavoti hayi yena njengomengameli weqembu.
Why is there reluctance to use your face as the face of the party as well? Why is it such a big issue in your party?
No, Mr. Mbeje,
Yeah.
let us get it right.
Sure.
It is not a big issue.
Yeah.
You know, a brand, even companies, they decide what is a brand of a company.
Yeah.
That is why I'm saying let us not infer what you get from the social media, from the enemies of the IFP, people who want to create a picture as things are not okay.
Okay, I think that's why I'm giving you this opportunity to clarify, yes?
No, there is just no problem. The IFP agreed on a brand.
Uzichithileke izinsolo zokuthi kunokwebhana ngaphakathi eqenjini.
I'm quite very happy. You know, we are in a program of rebuilding structures. Right now, we are in a program of the inauguration of branches.
Njengoba ukhetho lusondela kunezingxoxo ezithi kungenzeka kungabi khona qembu elizophumelela ngamalengiso. I-IFP ithi alinankinga ke kusebenzisa namanye amaqembu ezombusazwe.
The Moonshot Pact, the discussion on a coalition is being engaged seriously now, but there will be no signed agreements between the IFP and any party before elections.
Uxwayise ngokuthi udaba lokukhishwa kwencwadi egunyaza ukuba kuboshwe umengameli waseRussia i-ICC kufanele luphathwe njengokucophelela. Kulindeleke ukuthi uPutin athamele ingqungquthela ye-BRICS kuleli ngoNcwaba.